What is up guys, Done at the site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your HubSpot to your Base44. So first you need to head over to your Base44's application and then you need to log in with your Base44's account. You can also use the web version of Base44. After that, when you are logged in, you just simply need to click on this integration section at the top and then you need to search for HubSpot. And after searching for HubSpot here, you will see the option to use this integration. But if you can't see it, don't worry. Head back to integrations again and then click on create integration. We will create a new integration with the integration name of HubSpot and we will add the description of HubSpot connection. And after adding it, I will just simply click on continue to integration content. And here in the secret name, I will enter HubSpot Connect. And after entering this, I will just simply enter the instruction. Now in the instruction section, I need to enter the API key. So to get the API key, head over to HubSpot, log in with your account credential, and at the bottom, you will see the development section. Click on this development button, and from here, click on keys. After clicking on keys, click on develop API key, and here you will see the option to create key. Simply click on this to create your new key. After that, here you will see your active API key. You can just simply copy it or you can create a new API key. So after copying the API key, you need to head back to Base44 again and then simply paste it here. And after pasting, you need to click on add API key. And then here in the implementation guide, you also need to paste your API key again. And after that, you need to click on the save integration here at the top. And you need to make sure that you have also pasted the API key here in the bottom in the implementation guide. And if it is less than 50 characters, you just simply need to enter some random letters to make it 56 characters or 50 characters. And after that, click on save integration to save this integration. And here, as you can see, the integration has been created successfully. So this is how you can connect your HubSpot to Base44. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.